Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPad is supervised and enrolled in the school's MDM, and you have your managed Apple ID ready. Once confirmed, sign in with that account because permissions and app approvals depend on it. Now open the App Store and choose Today or Search to locate apps. Make sure to tap your profile icon to view purchase and download permissions. This tells you whether the school blocks or allows installs, which shapes the next steps. Next, search for the app you need and check whether it's available in the school's catalog. If the install is blocked, submit an install request through the school's app request flow or follow the MDM prompt. Explain purpose and class use so admins approve faster. Once approved, return to the App Store and tap Get or Install. The MDM may push the app automatically. Make sure to watch purchases and updates to confirm the download completes. And finish by launching the app and granting any necessary permissions. Some school policies require admins to enable features before full functionality works. If the app won't install or won't open, restart the iPad, reconnect to school Wi-Fi, and verify your managed Apple ID is still signed in because network and account status often block installs. If problems persist, contact your school IT team with the iPad serial, a screenshot of the error, and the time it occurred, so they can review MDM logs and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.